Okay guys, my name is Mama Iman DB Mohamezan and my match number is 01DK24F20G4 and I will be acting as customer. Okay guys, my name is Muhammad Akmal Hikari Amran and my match number is 01DKA24F2032 and today I will be as a star.
Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the
Hello, my name is Akmal. How can I help you, sir? I turned off my phone on my Airport 5 2006 and was told it would be ready by this morning. However, it's still not done. We sincerely apologize for the delay. There was an unexpected issue with the replacement part. We will prioritize your repair and have it ready by now. The LCD URS is not working properly. We're sorry about that. We will inspect the issue and replace the spray at no extra cost under our service warranty. I've been bought for 415 ringgits for the repair, but this seems quite expensive compared to other shop that I've checked. We understand, Vincent. Our pricing includes high quality parts and certified technician. However, we can review your bid and offer a discount if possible. No one told me there will be the delay because a delivery problem. We apologize for the lack of communication. We will improve our update system and ensure you receive timely notification moving forward. The staff member that I was spoke to is too rude and didn't listen to my concern. We are very sorry to hear that. We take this seriously and we address it with our team to ensure better customer service. You said the base 3 was the issue, but the foil still has the problems. We apologize for the inconvenience. We will recheck your device thoroughly and fix the issue at no additional charge. I had to wait for an extended period before being tended to, even though staff were around but did not offer any assistance. We are sorry for the wait. We are currently improving our queue system to serve customer more efficiently. That's all for my comments. Thank you for listening.
King